Good morning, Bedford Hills. I'm Frances Carey, your SEA Vice President.
And I am Ellie Brown, your SEA Safety Rep, and this is the news for Friday, November 15th, 2019.
Today is National I Love to Write Day. It is always great to write, whether it's a list, a poem, a journal entry, or a short story. Take time today to enjoy the art of writing.
Today's word of the day is dilemma. A dilemma is a situation that demands picking between two choices, and both are problems.
What a dilemma. Do I tell the teacher the truth that my dog really did eat my homework, or do I just do the work again?
On this day in 1805, explorers Lewis and Clark got their first glimpse of the Pacific Ocean.
Lewis and Clark have been commissioned by Thomas Jefferson to explore and to map the land west of the Mississippi after the Louisiana Purchase. Their travels last over 2 years and were approximately over 8,000 miles.
Remember back when there were no cars? All the exploring was done on foot, on horses, or by boat when appropriate.
Lewis and Clark were both born in Virginia.
OMG, Miss, and I went into Miss Reynolds' room. Miss Rowland's room last week. Their whole class got the spelling test correct. Way to go!
Miss Wade has our next shout out to Taya Thomas for her excellent play in prefixes and suffixes on Quizlet Live.
Miss Reichert would like to send a shout out to Alyssa Kelly and Owen Terry in Miss Younger's class. Miss Reichert says, I want to thank both of them so much for being willing to do the announcements while I am still learning the process. They have had to read many days of announcements in one day. I really appreciate it.
This is Frances Carey
and Ellie Brown. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn. It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.